Hi everyone, if you're looking to join the gym but don't know where to start, here are a couple of tips to get you going. Number one, give machines a try. Machines often just move in one direction. So if you haven't done a specific movement before, trying to find a machine that does that movement will be a great place to start and make sure that you're utilizing the correct technique. Number two, ask a coach or get a gym induction. This is great just to find out what's where, what machines do what, and also just get a little bit of an expert opinion as to whatever you're doing in the gym. Number three, work out with a friend. A friend is great just for moral support, for motivation, for looking after you potentially as well. If you're lifting a certain weight, they can help spot you. We'll also add an element of accountability as well, meaning that you're more likely to turn up and make sure you stick to your new gym routine. Number four, don't go too hard too soon. It's common that when we start a new gym routine, we want to go 5, 6, or 7 days a week. But if you've never been to the gym before, it's unlikely you're going to be able to stick that out, and you'll be very sore after your first few sessions as well. So start with 1, 2, or 3 sessions a week, whatever you can manage, and try and sustain that in the long term. You can always add more sessions later on. Number 5, bear in mind gym etiquette. It's really important that you realise there's other people in the gym, not just you, so make sure you clean your kit after use, make sure you put your weights back in the racks if you're using free weights, and just generally make sure you're being kind to other gym users as well. If somebody's resting, don't just jump on a machine, ask them how many sets they've got left, and then just wait close by. For more tips on how to get active, head to our YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can head to vitality.co.uk, and if you're a Vitality member, be sure to download our Vitality app for more.